Mayor and Council, my name is Deanna Montgomery, and I live on Skyline Drive. I've lived there since 1977, raised my family there. Now I'm retired there and have loved living there all these years. I'm here to speak in opposition of the hillside cut ordinance before the council. When the mayor asked a few of us neighbors to look at a new drawing and go back and talk to neighbors, I was one of those who did that. And I was one who helped develop a response, but let me be clear, it was a response. And it was clear to me from talking to all my neighbors and people all over Park Hill and all over North Little Rock, the first thing we wanted to say was, no hillside cut. You have a difficult decision. Our city has laws and rules to guide us in the use of our land, and it seems clear a waiver of these laws should only be given when it benefits citizens and residents and does not harm them. A petition that we presented before your council of over 850 signatures of residents of North Little Rock is one way we try to be clear to show you how we feel. I know you've gotten lots of phone calls, lots of emails, and lots of residents who don't like to speak in public like me, but I tried to get the courage to come before you and say how much we oppose this item. In searching for words, I tried to look at some documents on our city website, and I was pleased to see that someone else has already mentioned this, our comprehensive land use plan. The comprehensive land use plan of North Little Rock has 9 goals, and it's supposed to help us in economic development, housing, natural and historic resources, and protection and improving the quality of life of city residents. Some of these goals are maintain the unique character and small-town atmosphere of North Little Rock neighborhoods, promote North Little Rock's positive image as a desirable community in which to live and work, preserve open spaces, promote and preserve trees, urban forests, and natural open spaces during development, mitigate the adverse impact of noise and air pollution. I think our goals tell us a lot about what North Little Rock wants for our residents and has planned for our residents. So I urge you to follow the good laws that we have in place. There's no reason to give a waiver of our good laws, and I urge you to please vote no on this hillside cut issue. Thank you.
Thank you.